Lady E. Freestyle Wednesdays. That's how we do it in my house. My name is Lady E. If you don't know about me, you're about to know something about me. I'm a Christian rapper. I don't do it for the fame, but I do it in His name. I do it for the man upstairs. I do it for the man that laid his life on the line. I do it cause he paid his time for you and me and those committing those crimes. I'm about to put you on. I'm about to put you on. I'm about to put you on notice, so you better get focused. Take a look and tell me what you see. Am I the girl that's ready for the industry? Am I really ready for the popularity? Glamour girl, stand still, here comes the paparazzi. Take a look, can you see me in BET on MTV? Looking down at the crowds that are waving at me. A little girl screaming, can you take a picture of me? Yeah, that life seems nice. But Illuminati puppies, they pay the price. I'm not about that life. I just want others to know about Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm not about that life. I'm not about that life. I'm not about that life. I want others to know about Jesus Christ. Do you know Him?
Yeah.
Do you know Him?
Yes, I do.
He knows Him. Do you know Him?
Yeah, I know.
I think he knows Him. Do you know Him? Hey, hey. Say go Jesus, go Jesus, go. Okay, go Jesus, go Jesus, go.
Go Jesus, go Jesus.
Say glory.
Glory.
Say glory.
Glory.
Say glory.
Glory.
Say glory.
Glory.
Yeah. Do you know Him?
Hey.
Do you know God? Think you should get to know Him. I know Him, that's why I do this. He saved me. He changed me. So I'm trying to change others. Freestyle Wednesday. That's how we do it. Go ahead, praise dance, kids. Yeah, do your praise dance. Do your praise dance. Do your praise dance. Do your praise dance. Go Rico. Go Rico. Go Rico. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Get God. Got Jesus. If you don't have Him, you should get Him in your life. Again, my name is Lady E. Leading anointed devoted youth. You'll see me out here, hopefully, soon. I'm making music. If you like, spread the video. If you don't like, still spread the video. God bless. Freestyle Wednesdays, y'all.